Good morning, students. God bless you. Welcome to 12th Standard Business Max class. The last class we have discussed mathematical expectation, especially expected value and variance of x value. Okay. In this class, also we are going to see about mathematical expectation. Okay. Exercise 6.2. The sixth question. In an investment, a man can make a profit of rupees 5000 with a probability of 0.62 or a loss of rupees 8000 with a profit of 0.38. Find the expected gain. The solution, the question is find the expected gain. That means expected value of x. Okay. The solution, the probability mass function is x. The capital X equal to small x. The x values are the profit. The given profit is 5000. So 5000. The profit is mentioned the addition of value plus 5000, and the loss value is 8000. This is mentioned the negative sign. Okay, the 8000. Then the probability value, the corresponding probability value is, the profit probability is 0.62 and loss probability is 0.38. Okay, now we get the probability mass function. Okay. Question is find the expected gain. Okay, therefore the expected gain, that means expectation value, this E of x is equal to summation x into P of x. This is your formula, okay, already known, which is equal to the product of x into P of x. 5000 into 0.62, then plus x into next x value is minus 8000, then P of x is 0.38. Okay, the product of these two values is 3100, minus into plus minus 8000 into 0.38 is 3040. Okay, subtract both the value, we get rupees 60. Okay, therefore the expected gain is rupees 60. That's all your answer. The expected gain is rupees 60. Okay, that's all. Have you understood? Okay. Okay, next 12th question. In a business venture, a man can make a profit rupees 2000 with a probability of 0.4 or have a loss of rupees 1000 with a probability of 0.6. What is his expected variance and standard deviation of profit? Here want to find variance and standard deviation of profit. Okay, the solution already known. The variance of x is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x the whole square. This is your formula. Okay, so first find the expectation of x and expectation of x square, then making the subtraction we get variance of x. Okay, then want to find the standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to square root of variance. Making the square root of your result, we get the standard deviation of profit. Okay, solve one by one. Expectation of x. First find the probability mass function. The probability mass function is forming the table capital X equal to small x and P of capital X equal to small x. The x values are the profit rupees 2000, so plus 2000. The corresponding probability is 0.4. Okay, or have a loss of rupees 1000. The loss mentioned the negative sign and the corresponding probability is 0.6. Okay, now we get the table. Okay, find the expected value. Expected value is equal to summation x, okay, x into p of x. This is your formula. Okay, it is equal to the product of x into probability value. X is 2000 into p of x equal to 0.4 plus the x value is minus 1000 and probability of x equal to 0.6. Okay, it is equal to the product of these two values 800 minus into plus minus product of these two value is 600. Okay, making the subtraction we get rupees 200. This is for expectation of x. Next, find the expectation of x square. Okay, expectation of x squared equal to summation x squared into p of x. This is your general formula already known. Okay, substitute the value. X squared, x is 2000, so 2000 the whole square into p of x. The p of x value is 0.4 plus the x value is minus 1000 the whole square into p of x is 0.6. Okay, this is equal to 2000 the whole square is 2 square is 4, then 30 square is 6 zeros. Okay, that means 40 lakh into 0.4 plus minus into minus plus, because minus power even number is plus. So 1000 square is 10 lakh. Okay, into 0.6. Okay, it is equal to the product of these two value are equal to 16. Product of these two values is equal to 16 lakh plus the product of the 10 lakh into 0.6 is 6 lakh. Okay, the product of these two values is 6 lakh. Then sum of these two value we get 22 lakh. This is expectation of x square. Okay, finally the variance of x, for the variance of x equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x the whole square, which is equal to the expectation of x squared answer is 22 lakh minus expectation of x answer is already we get, this is for 200, so 200 the whole square, which is equal to the 22 lakh minus 200 the whole square we get 40,000. Okay, and making the subtraction we get 21 lakh and 60,000. Okay, this is the variance of x. That's all. Your question is find the variance and standard deviation. Next, the standard deviation is equal to square root of variance of x, which is equal to square root of, this is 216 and 1 2 3 4 zeros. Okay, that's all. It is equal to the square of 21 lakh and 60,000 equal to 1469.69. Fix two decimal places we get 1469.69 standard deviation. That's all. So your question is find the variance and standard deviation of the profit. So this is the variance and standard deviation of the profit. Okay, have you understood? Okay, next 13th question. The number of miles on automobile tire loss before it reaches a critical point in treat where can represented by a probability density function. So given function is a probability density function, that means f of x. The small f of x equal to, set of all, 1 by 30 into e power minus x by 30 for x greater than 0. X is more than 0, the f of x is given. Otherwise is 0, that means below 0 values x is, the f of x is 0. Okay. Find the expected number of miles, that means expectation of x in thousands. A tire would last until it reaches the critical treat wear point. Question of the line is this: find the expected number of miles. Okay. The solution given f of x equal to 1 by 30 into e power minus x by 30 for x greater than 0, 0 for x less than or equal to 0. This is your given question. Okay. The expected number of miles. Expected number of miles, that is expectation of x equal to, this is probability density function, so integral minus infinity to plus infinity x into f of x into dx. This is your formula. Okay, already know. So which is equal to integral, the limit value is 0, the lower limit is 0, upper limit is not be defined. So lower limit is rewrite 0, the upper limit is infinity. Then x into the f of x is given. So 1 by 30 into e power minus x by 30. So understood? Okay. Then the next step. The 1 by 30 is the constant, taking outside, which is equal to, so 1 by 30 integral 0 to infinity x into e power minus x by 30 into dx. Okay, which is equal to, the formula, since integral x power n e power minus ax into dx equal to n factorial divided by a power n plus 1. Okay, this is a formula, equal to n factorial divided by a power n plus 1. Here comparing both the term, here n is equal to x power value, x power here 1, so n is equal to 1, and a is equal to e power minus ax, coefficient of x is a. Okay, the coefficient of x values here already get minus, so coefficient of x value is 1 by 30. Is it or not? Coefficient of x value is 1 by 30. Okay, so apply the rule. 1 by 30, this is constant. Okay, this is formula for 0 to infinity value. Okay, 0 to infinity, this value equivalent to n factorial divided by a power n plus 1. Okay, n value is 1, so 1 factorial divided by a power, that means 1 by 30 power n plus 1, 1 plus 1, n value is 1, so 1 plus 1. Have you understood? This is taken from the formula. Okay, so 1 by 30 into 1 factorial answer is 1 divided by 1 by 30 whole power, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, then 1 by 30 into 1 divided by 1 squared is 1, then this is for 30 square. Okay, which is equal to 1 by 30 into, this is rewrite, we get 30 square divided by 1. Okay, then making the cancellation, 30 and 30 square are cancelled, remaining 1 into 30, 30. This is the expectation of x. Okay, the expected number of mile is 30 miles. Therefore the expected number of miles equal to 30 in 1000. This is already given. Okay, that means 30,000 miles. Have you understood? That's all the answer. Okay, next 14th question. A person tosses a coin and is to receive rupees 4 for a head and is to pay rupees 2 for a tail. Okay, find the expectation and variance of his gain. Find the expectation and variance of his gains. Okay, when tossing a coin, a person gets head, receive 4 rupees. Suppose get tail, the person lose 2 rupees. Okay, this is your question. The solution, the sample space. When tossing a coin, we get the sample space as equal to set of all head and tail. Is it or not? When tossing a coin, we get the possible outcomes are head or tail. Okay, therefore the n of s equal to 2. Okay, since already given the condition, a person tosses a coin and is to receive 4 rupees for a head and is to pay rupees 2 for a tail. Therefore the value of x are 4 plus 4, that means a receive amount, plus 4, and this is lose amount, minus 2. The minus represent the losing amount. Okay, this is the value of x. Therefore the probability of getting a head is equal to the total outcome is 2, the head outcome is 1, the possible outcome is 1. Okay, then the probability of getting a tail equal to the number of outcome is 2, the favorable outcome is 1 because one tail exists. Okay, therefore the probability mass function is x is equal to x, p of x is equal to x. Okay, the x values are 4 and minus 2. The corresponding probability values are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Okay, now forming the table. Okay, next consider the question. Find the expectation and variance of his gains. Okay, expectation of x value and variance of x value want to find. Okay, expectation of x is equal to summation x into p of x. This is your general formula. It is equal to the product of x and p of x. X value is 4 and corresponding p of x value is 1 by 2 plus the x value is minus 2 and corresponding p of x value is 1 by 2. Okay, which is equal to, so 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, then minus into plus minus, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1. This is for expectation of x. Okay, next find the variance of x. The variance of x is equal to formula expectation of x square minus expectation of x the whole square. Okay, next find the expectation of x square. The expectation of x square from the discrete random variable summation x squared into p of x. Okay, which is equal to the x value is 4 The x value is 4, so 4 squared into p of x value is 1 by 2 plus the x value is minus 2, the whole square into p of x value is 1 by 2. This is equal to 4 square equal to 16 into 1 by 2 plus minus power even number is plus, 2 square is 4, 4 into 1 by 2. Okay, 1 2s are 2, 8 2s are 16, 8 into 1, 8 plus 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay, sum of the two values equal to 10. Okay, this is the expectation of x squared answer. Then the formula variance of x is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x the whole square is equal to expectation of x squared answer is 10 minus expectation of x answer is already we get this is for 1, so 1 square is equal to 10 minus 1 squared value is 1 equal to 10 minus 1 is 9. This is for variance of x. That's all. Therefore variance of his gain is rupees 9. Okay, therefore the expectation of gain is rupees 1 and the variance of gain is rupees 9. Okay, that's all the answer. Have you understood? Okay, next 15th question. Let x be a random variable and y is equal to 2x plus 1. What is the variance of y if variance of x is 5? The solution given the variance of x is equal to 5. Okay, this is already given. Then y is equal to 2x plus 1. Question is, what is the variance of y? The variance of y equal to variance of 2x plus 1. Okay, since variance of ax plus b equal to a squared into variance of x, this is your formula. Okay, the variance of ax plus b equal to a square into variance of x. Okay, the variance of constant is 0. Okay, therefore variance of y equal to, so variance of ax plus b format, so 2 square into variance of x and variance of 1 is 0, variance of constant value is 0. Okay, the variance of y equal to 2 squared value is 4 and variance of x already given, so this is for 5. Therefore variance of y is equal to 4 5s are 20. Okay, that's all your answer. Have you understood? Okay, dear students, today's homework book page numbers 138, 139 and 140. Example 6.18, 6.19, 6.20, 6.21, 6.22, 6.23 and 6.24. Use the mathematical expectation formula and to solve the sum. Thank you. God bless you.